Welcome into our sound studio at Oticon headquarters. Our sound studio has 29 loudspeakers arranged spherically all around the user. With that many speakers, we can play back sound scenes recorded in the real world with our 360-degree spherical microphone. For this, we use a high-fidelity sound reproduction technique called ambisonics. With this advanced technique, when you sit in the chair in the middle of the room and close your eyes, it simply feels like you're experiencing the real sound scene. You are there in a busy restaurant or enjoying a live performance. So how do we find out how hearing aids perform in these realistic sound scenes? One way to do this is to place a head and torso mannequin in the sweet spot of the ambisonic system and equip it with hearing aids using dedicated ear molds. The trick is that highly sensitive microphones are positioned at the end of this mannequin's ear canals. When we play back a sound scene, these microphones are busy sending the hearing aid output to our recording system in the control room. Using different techniques, we can analyze in great detail how the hearing aids have processed the sound across time and frequency, or compute the output signal-to-noise ratio to estimate how much the hearing aid makes a target sound, like speech, stand out from the background. We can also play back the left and right ear recordings through headphones. This way, you can get to hear what real scenes sound like when the hearing aids have done their job, or when they haven't. By recording different types of hearing aids, features, or algorithms, listeners can compare their sound quality in a listening test. With our cutting-edge technique, we at Oticon can find out how our hearing aids perform in real-life situations that our users experience all the time. This brings us one step closer to our goal, changing lives every day.